Oh, hey there. Cory Mann, Poseidon Ponds and Landscaping. Just wanted to shoot a quick video for you. One of the questions we get asked a lot is, how do I know I need a pond cleaning? So I'm going to hopefully answer that for you right now. All right. So this is believe it or not, an ecosystem style pond that is actually naturally fed with stormwater that's coming through the neighborhood. It has a small pond on this end and a skimmer, as you can see here, and it recirculates all the way back up to the top. So throughout the season, this constantly has water running through it, and it recirculates. So how do you know that you need a pond cleaning? Well, one indicator is debris buildup. As you can see in this pond, there are a lot of leaves and sticks and things that have come in here. It is good to get all that debris out. That debris is going to continue to break down, and it will cause lots of water quality issues, lots of algae blooms. If there's fish in the system, it's really going to produce toxic gases and make it a pretty poor environment for the fish to survive in. That would be one reason that you would need a clean out. Number two is to restack rocks, the aesthetics of the pond, right? So wildlife will come and go in a lot of these systems, and sometimes the liner gets exposed. Maybe just after so many years, some of the rocks have just fallen down into the bottom, right? So we will pull those rocks out of the bottom and restack them in this situation. One of the other things involved with the clean out that you would want to look for is just to be able to see the rocks again too, right? So getting the debris out is going to expose those rocks again. We're going to be able to power wash them, okay? And you will be able to see exactly what this thing originally looked like. So just to give it a good refurbishing. One other reason you might want to clean out is just minor repairs, okay? So for us on this clean out, it's going to be pretty simple for us to bring in a little bit of extra dirt. I'm guessing that blockage here had actually caused water to come back around here and maybe wash out some of this. So that's an easy fix. Some of the other easy fixes would be leaks, right? So if the homeowner tells us that they've been losing water during a clean out, you have a professional team out here that will be able to take a look and see along the edges and hopefully find something for you to fix that. Water treatments also get added, so that's another added bonus and something to consider. Maybe it's just needs a little bit of a pickup in terms of muck digesting bacterias or whatnot, and that would be something that would be added as well. So just wanted to shoot this quick video to answer some of those questions that people may have. Why would I need a clean out? Why is it good? And hopefully I answered some of those questions for you. If not, hey, you know what? Throw them down there in the comments for me so I can answer them for you. I'd appreciate that, and I'd look forward to answering anything I can for you. So any information you need on pond cleanout, 734-726-5061, or our website, www.poseidonponds.com. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Please subscribe if you haven't. Take care.